Hi everybody, welcome back to a phonics session with me, Mrs. Sharp. So yesterday's phonics session, if you're doing them in order, we covered the ow sound, ow as in cow. Today we are going to be doing the oi digraph, oi as in coin. So I'll flip you round. If you want to join in with a morning starter, we're doing I Spy games all week. So you can either make this a talking game, you might want to do an initial sound game, so I spy something beginning with k or something beginning with f. You might want to sound the whole word out, like I spy with my little eye something beginning with f, r, or g, and see if the children can blend that word together. You might want to say I spy with my little eye something beginning with or you might want to say, I can see a pen. How do you spell pen? And see if your children can say p, e, n. You might want them to write some words down, or you might want to put them into a sentence. It's entirely up to you. If you want to take part, press pause now. Okay, we'll flick past these. Let's warm up with our song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Okay, say the letter name. S. See if you can do it before I say it. C. I. V. D. A. Well done. Okay, now yesterday I went through the sounds and said the sounds with you. Today I will let you say the sounds yourself. Fabulous. Okay, trigraph time. Ch, ch, as in chicken. As in ring. Qua, as in queen. Th and th, as in thumb. I, as in night. Sh, as in shoe. A, as in rain. E, as in leak. O, as in goat. As in book. Oo, as in moon. Or, as in fork. R, as in card. As in burger. Oi, as in coin. Ow. Ear, as in beard. As in rubber. Air, as in chair. And your or your as in pure. Fantastic. So we've changed this up a little bit. These are the next three slides are all the tricky words that we cover in reception. And again, we go over them in year one as well. So if your child needs to practice reading and recognising any of these, you can press pause now. Any words that they don't recognise, write them on a post-it and stick the post-its around the house, or hide them. They can go on a word hunt. Make it really fun. So press pause now. Okay, these are the phase 3 tricky words, so you can point to words and get them to read them. Again, any that they don't recognise, make a note of it, and you can practice those whenever you get chance. And finally, here come the phase 4 words. They are slightly more difficult. The children, by the end of reception, hopefully can recognise most of these. They are consolidated again in year 1 and of course year 2 and further on in the school. If your child, if you want to extend your child, you could get them to write some sentences with them in. Okay, yesterday we did our words: down, town, towel, powder. We wrote them down and we read a sentence. Today we're going to do the I words. Here it is, the O-I. It makes the I as in coin sound. So get your blending arm ready. Let's see if we can read these words. Can you spot it here? Let's say the sounds. Again. B-I-L, boil. Fantastic. Next one. Again. Once more. S-I-L and blend. Soil. Super. I could hear you doing that then. Okay, this is longer. Can you spot the I digraph in that word? Here it is. Let's say the sound. Again. Poison. 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 That was a real challenge. Well done if you managed to read that. Okay, we can split this word in half. Let's read this half first. Again. Tin. Tin. Here it is. F-I-L. F-I-L. File. Tin. File. Tin file. Super. Okay, we're going to spell some I words now. So the words are, can you remember them? Boil, soil, poison, and tin foil. If you want to extend or challenge, please get your children to write those words in a sentence. Press pause now. Okay, oh, look at this. Oh, that's a bit clever. Mrs. Sharp excelling here. Oh, very proud. Right, if you want to now, you can write a sentence, and the sentence is, come and join the team. Now, come is a tricky word. Join has the I sound and team has the E sound, but it's not the E that we know. So if a reception child spells it like this, to-e-m, then that's absolutely fine because that's the E sound they know. Older children might use the E-A sound, as in E in team. So the sentence again is come and join the team. If you want to write that down, press pause now. I'm so proud of everything you're doing. This is amazing. I just want to turn your attention to Geraldine the giraffe. Mr. Thorne does phonics on YouTube and he's absolutely fabulous. He has got Geraldine, his friend, helping him learn all the sounds that we cover in reception and probably beyond. I haven't seen if he does any other ones, but I'm sure he does. He's got them all. So if you type in YouTube Geraldine the giraffe, it will come up, and the children love Geraldine, so that would be a lovely way to end a phonics session. But it's not really ended until you hear a joke. Right, are you ready for this one? What do you call a gorilla with bananas in its ears? I don't know. What do you call a gorilla with bananas in its ears? Anything you like. It can't hear you. Not as good as yesterday's, was it? Never mind. Right, have a lovely day, everybody. Stay safe and keep smiling. Bye.